Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about AI and machine learning as it relates to content creators and what you need to know about ChatGPT. It's taken over the internet, so here we go. A conversation with ChatGPT about ChatGPT for content creators. It is a product of OpenAI. Microsoft has a significant investment in the company, and Google says it's about to come out with its own product next. But in the meantime, I invite you to check out chat.openai.com and see for yourself what types of dialogues you can have. So some basic instructions that it will give you on the opening page are examples of what it can do and how you give it instructions. So explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Capabilities. It remembers what user said earlier in the conversation. It allows user to provide follow-up corrections and train to decline inappropriate requests. Its limitations is it may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, and limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So we begin the conversation with ChatGPT, asking ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT? And it responds, ChatGPT is a conversational language model developed by OpenAI. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to text-based inputs, allowing it to engage in conversations with people on a wide range of topics. Next, asking the question, what is the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in computers and other machines. It encompasses various fields, including computer vision, natural language processing, expert systems, and machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms and statistical models that enable machines to improve their performance on a specific task by learning from data without being explicitly programmed. In simple terms, AI refers to the overall concept of creating machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, while machine learning refers to a specific approach to achieving AI by training machines to learn from data. The next question, how is AI and machine learning being used in our society today? Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used in many ways in our society today, including 1. Healthcare. AI and ML are being used to diagnose diseases, develop personalized treatment plans, and improve medical imaging analysis. 2. Finance. AI and ML are being used for credit scoring, fraud detection, and to analyze large financial data sets to identify trends and make predictions. 3. Retail. AI and ML are being used to personalize customer experiences, such as recommending products based on previous purchases, and to improve supply chain management. Number 4, transportation. AI and ML are being used to optimize logistics, reduce fuel consumption, and improve safety in vehicles through self-driving technology. 5, education. AI and ML are being used to personalize learning and to grade assignments and exams automatically. These are just a few examples of the many ways AI and ML are being used to improve our lives and solve complex problems. Should we be excited or afraid? Both excitement and concern are valid reactions to the development of artificial intelligence and machine learning. On one hand, AI and ML have the potential to bring about significant benefits and improvements in many areas of our lives, from healthcare to transportation. They can help us make faster and more accurate decisions, automate repetitive tasks, and solve complex problems. On the other hand, there are also valid concerns about the potential negative consequences of AI and ML, such as job displacement, biased algorithms, and the ethical implications of machines making decisions that can affect people's lives. Ultimately, it's important to approach the development and deployment of AI and ML with caution, transparency, and a focus on ensuring that their benefits are realized while minimizing their potential negative impacts. Next question, and why we're here. How can ChatGPT help a content creator, podcaster, or radio host? ChatGPT can assist a content creator, podcaster, radio host in several ways. 1. Generating content ideas. ChatGPT can be used to generate ideas for topics to cover in a podcast or radio show based on current events or trending topics. 2. Transcription. ChatGPT can be used to automatically transcribe audio content, making it easier for content creators to transcribe interviews or create written summaries of their shows. 3. Question generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate questions for interviews, providing content creators with a starting point for their discussions. 4. Improving efficiency. ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks, such as transcribing audio, freeing up time for content creators to focus on other aspects of their work. 5. Enhancing the audience experience. ChatGPT can be integrated into a podcast or radio show's website or mobile app to provide listeners with real-time information or recommendations based on their interests and listening history. While ChatGPT is not a replacement for a human content creator, it can serve as a valuable tool to help streamline the content creation process and enhance the overall experience for both the content creator and their audience. So then I ask it some specific ideas around my area. So can you come up with some video ideas around women empowerment and technology? Sure, here are a few video ideas around women empowerment and technology. Women in Tech, Breaking Barriers, a feature on women who are breaking down barriers and making significant contributions to the tech industry. 2, The Future is Female, Women Empowering Women in Tech, the panel discussion featuring women leaders in technology discussing their experiences and the importance of female representation in the tech industry. 3, Empowering Women Through Technology, a look at how technology is being used to empower women, such as through online education, access to financial services, and the creation of digital networks for women entrepreneurs. 4, Women in STEM, Overcoming Obstacles, a documentary about the challenges faced by women in STEM fields and the steps being taken to address the gender gap. 5, From Coding to CEO, Women in Tech Leadership, an interview series with women who have risen to leadership positions in technology companies, sharing their experiences and advice for aspiring female tech leaders. 6, The Impact of Technology on Women's Health, a discussion about the ways in which technology is being used to improve women's health, from telemedicine to wearable devices. These are just a few examples, and there are many other exciting video ideas to explore in the area of women empowerment and technology. The next prompt is, can you write an essay about women empowerment and technology? Women empowerment and technology. Women empowerment refers to the process of empowering women with the skills, knowledge, and confidence they need to participate fully in society and make their own decisions. Technology has played a significant role in this process, providing women with new tools and platforms to connect, learn, and lead. One of the key ways that technology has empowered women is through access to education. Online education platforms and mobile apps have made education more accessible and affordable, allowing women to gain new skills and knowledge without leaving their home or communities. This has been especially important for women in developing countries where access to education can be limited. Another way technology has empowered women is through access to financial services. Mobile banking and digital payment platforms have made it easier for women to manage their finances, start businesses, and participate in the economy. This has been particularly important for women in rural areas who may not have access to traditional banking services. In addition to access to education and financial services, technology has also provided women with new platforms for networking and collaboration. Online communities and social media platforms have made it easier for women to connect with each other and share experiences, knowledge, and resources. This has been a powerful tool for women in fields such as entrepreneurship, where networks and mentorship can be critical for success. However, despite the many benefits of technology for women, there are also challenges and obstacles to overcome. For example, the tech industry has a well-documented gender gap, with women underrepresented in leadership positions and in technical roles. This has led to concerns about biased algorithms and the impact of technology on women's careers and lives. To fully realize the potential of technology for women's empowerment, it's important to address these challenges and ensure that technology is designed and developed with women's needs and perspectives in mind. This may involve initiatives to increase diversity in the tech industry, promote women's participation in technology-related fields, and address issues such as digital security and privacy. In conclusion, technology has played a significant role in women's empowerment, providing new tools and platforms for education, financial services, and networking. However, there are also challenges to be addressed, such as the gender gap in the tech industry and the impact of technology on women's careers and lives. By addressing these challenges, we can ensure that technology continues to be a powerful tool for women's empowerment and progress. The next prompt: can you write a short video script about women empowerment and technology? Sure, here's a sample video script about women empowerment and technology. Title: Empowering Women Through Technology. Intro: Voiceover. Women have come a long way in the fight for equality, but there's still much work to be done. Today, technology is playing a crucial role in empowering women and helping to bridge the gender gap. Scene 1: Women in Tech. Cut to a woman typing on a computer. Voiceover: the tech industry has a well-documented gender gap, with women underrepresented in leadership positions and technical roles, but women are breaking down the barriers and making significant contributions to the industry. Cut to a woman speaking at a conference. Interviewee: I think it's important to see more women in leadership positions in tech because it's a great example for future generations. It shows that anything is possible. Scene 2: Women in Education. Cut to a woman using a tablet. Voiceover: one of the key ways that technology is empowering women is through access to education. Online platforms and mobile apps have made education more accessible and affordable, allowing women to gain new skills and knowledge from anywhere. Cut to a woman in a rural village using a smartphone. Interviewee: I never thought I could continue my education, but now with these online platforms, I'm able to learn new skills and improve my life. Scene 3: Women and Financial Services. Cut to a woman using a smartphone banking app. Voiceover: technology has provided women with access to financial services, making it easier for women to manage their finances and participate in the economy. Cut to a woman starting a business. Interviewee: I never thought I could start my own business, but with access to digital payment platforms, I was able to get started, and now my business is growing. Outro: cut to a montage of women using technology for education, financial services, and networking. Voiceover: technology has the power to empower women and break down barriers. By continuing to develop technology with women's needs and perspectives in mind, we can ensure that technology remains a powerful tool for women's empowerment and progress. End with a logo or tagline: empowering women through technology. I then respond, thank you, ChatGPT. Is there anything else a content creator should know about how AI and ML can improve their creative process? Yes, here are a few ways that AI and machine learning can potentially improve the creative process for content creators. 1. Content generation. AI and machine learning algorithms can be trained to generate text, images, and other forms of content based on existing data and patterns. This can save time and effort for content creators who need to produce a large amount of material in a short amount of time. 2. Content analysis. AI and machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns and trends, which can help content creators understand what topics and formats are resonating with their audiences. This can inform their creative decisions and help them produce more effective and engaging content. 3. Personalization. AI and machine learning algorithms can be used to personalize content for individual users based on their preferences, interests, and behaviors. This can help content creators create more relevant and engaging experiences for their audiences and increase the impact and effectiveness of their content. 4. Content optimization. AI and machine learning algorithms can be used to optimize content for search engines and social media platforms, helping content creators reach a wider audience and increase their visibility. This can also help content creators understand which elements of their content are most effective and what changes they can make to improve engagement and reach. In conclusion, AI and machine learning can offer content creators a range of powerful tools to enhance their creative process, save time and effort, and reach a wider and more engaged audience. However, it's important for content creators to use these technologies responsibly and ethically, and to keep in mind they are simply tools to support and enhance human creativity, not replace it. to which I close with cheers. And ChatGPT responds, "You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. I'm here to help." So that was our visit with ChatGPT and what it can do. In conclusion, we can see that it does get a bit repetitive and its answers are rather bland. So that to me is part of the creative process. Is one thing I think it does really well is it tackles the blank page. And then it's up to us to organize it, personalize it, give those examples and that flavor and that authenticity that really belongs to ourselves and that ultimately is what an audience is really going to connect with. But it's a great foundation, and for anybody who ever just is challenged by a blank page, ChatGPT is a great place to start to have a conversation with AI and just trigger some ideas and some thoughts that you can build upon, customize, make your own, and develop from there. And think of it kind of like a Google search where it searches the existing what is of the internet, and rather than just pointing to what other people have written, it amalgamates and gives you something that just sounds more like natural speech. If you like this video, I invite you to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time here on the 360 Talk Radio for Women and Network on YouTube.